Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to unbox this GoPro 10. This is how it comes packed. It has a 23 megapixel camera, can record up to 5.3K at 60 FPS and 4K at 120. Water resistant up to 33 feet and comes with a brand new GP2 processor. It has a host of features, guys. Comes with voice control, slow-mo up to 8x, time warp 3.0, and can live stream up to 1080p. Has the function to upload automatically to the cloud and is mod ready. Can also be used in webcam mode. Let's go ahead and unbox this. Comes with a loop. Fancy. That's how it is, guys. Fancy little bag, can be used for multiple things. If you have questions, that's your go-to manual. Should help you. And there's a slight instruction pamphlet. These are the contents of the bag. This is a USB cable, Type-C. Comes with a bolt. This is the battery. Probably a mount. Another part. And that is the GoPro. Comes with a paper app. Tape. So that's the deal, guys. GoPro 10.